Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Bromley towards Walkerswood on the A1 Moneague to Walkerswood Road. Entering Walkerswood. The road on the left will take you to the Bromley Great House, as well as a few meters to the left is Greenfield and Bromley Cave. The Bromley Great House is made of wood with a wrapped around veranda and many windows to allow the cool mountain breeze to pass through. The foundation is made from cut stones dating back to the 18th century. The property is the home of the famous Walkerswood jerk seasonings and condiments. We are now at the Walkerswood Square, and the road on the right will take you to Cottage, Woodfield, Mount Plenty and other communities, as well as towards Peru Cave, Mount Plenty Cave, Mount Plenty Spring and Old Spanish Bridge. To the left is Walkerswood Methodist Church. On the right is Walkerswood Academy, formerly Walkerswood All-Age School. On the left is Lyming Jerk Food Rest Stop, and to the right is the Walkerswood Post Office. Also to the right is Walkerswood Community Center. On the left is Walkerswood Baptist Church. To the left is Walkerswood Caribbean Foods. The Walkerswood Caribbean Foods Factory is a growing supplier of over 20 innovative and traditional products, which are essential for the easy creation of Caribbean dishes. Walkerswood Caribbean began in 1978 with two guys selling jerk pork on the side of a road. Today, Walkerswood Caribbean Foods has worked to bring the taste of Caribbean to the world with innovative line of traditional seasonings, cooking sauces, spices, preserves, and canned vegetables. Entering Hopewell. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.